META1, Coin for Humanity, white paper by META1 Coin Trust. Security of coins. The Satoshi-based blockchain, smart contracts, and Satoshi-based delegated proof of stake, DPoS, is a new method of securing a cryptocurrency's network. DPoS attempts to solve the problems of both Bitcoin's traditional proof-of-work system and the proof-of-stake system of Peercoin and NXT. DPoS implements a layer of technological democracy to offset the adverse effects of centralization. DPoS and smart contracts will be used for the generation and security of the META1 coin. The blockchain is a distributed digital ledger. To understand it, let's consider a digital ledger which records all transactions in a system as per their time of occurrence. Now assume that this ledger is present in the devices of several users of a system. When a user tries to perform a transaction, the blockchain in the device of that user changes accordingly. The blockchain of all other users compares that chain with their own chain to validate the new transaction. If more than 50% of the chains verify the transaction, then the transaction becomes a permanent part of the chain. There is no central authority like a bank or government involved in the validation process. The transaction is verified by a large number of active users, which make this technology very secure as there is no single point of failure. This technology is behind cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. All cryptocurrencies have their blockchain, but the blockchain of Satoshi-based blockchain is the best because of several reasons. Satoshi-based blockchain is also the base protocol of META1, as it is the most secure and robust in functionality. The following are some of the benefits of Satoshi-based blockchain. Out of all blockchains, it has the biggest and most active developers community. Therefore, if something goes wrong with the consensus protocol, it has the highest probability of quick recovery. It's being endorsed by some of the world's largest financial software vendors, IBM, Microsoft 6, Deloitte EZ, Coin System, and others. It is the only production-ready blockchain that supports smart contracts. Evolving complete programming languages, it brings us to the next level of freedom in regards to features and security models which we can implement. The other technology which will make META1 coin completely secure, decentralized, automated, and reliable is smart contracts. Smart contracts are special programs in the blockchain which enforce the terms of the contract for the transaction. These smart contracts are significant to execute transactions in a trustless environment. Usually, a third party is involved in facilitating a transaction between two parties in the trustless environment. These third parties charge fees for facilitation and also store the credentials of traders. Any attack on the third party can discontinue service and compromise credentials of the service users. Smart contracts eliminate the need for these third parties and make the system more secure and private. Automated deposit routing, sliding window spending limits, voting-based approvals, and allowances are some of the applications of smart contracts. META1 is using smart contracts with Satoshi-based blockchain for secure transaction of coins. META1. Coin for Humanity. White paper by META1 Coin Trust.